FYJC 11th admission 2026 का part 1 form open हो गया है and all of you guys wanted a step by step video, so finally guys we are here with the step by step procedure जिससे आप कोई mistake ना करो and you get the process and apply. आपकी जो last date है वो अभी तक की आई है 30th of April, so yes it is important कि आप part 1 registration कर लें and this video will surely help you to complete the process smoothly, so make sure guys that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor and Mumbai Colleges. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so please do subscribe. If you're watching on Media Mentor or Mumbai Colleges, subscribe kar lo to get all the important information on your FYJC Admissions 2026. So guys, as you can see on my screen, it is registration. You have to just register yourself. So before I start with the step-by-step process, let me tell you, we do admission hand-holding. So all the parents and students watching it, if you want my team to do your application process and help you get in your dream college according to your percentage, ये QR code है, scan कर लो and you can get in touch with my admission hand-holding team where they are assisting you to fill the form. Now let's see the step-by-step process.
Visit FYJC website and click on student registration where you will see various options. Select the options accordingly. The registration process is same for SSC, CBSE, CISE, whichever board you come from. Then you can enter your seat number which will be on your hall ticket and your mother's name. If you are a SSC candidate, after entering your seat number and mother's name, your information will be redirected automatically. Then select month of examination which will be March or April. Then you have to enter your contact details, your email ID, student email ID or parent and mobile number likewise. Select any security question of your choice and give an answer to it. It's just for security purpose. Make a password of your own which you will remember and it will be used for the further logging process. After entering the CAPTCHA, make sure you go through your details carefully and then click on register. A login ID will be generated by the portal itself. Make sure you note it down and it will be used for further logging process. You can also take a print of this document and save it. After you click on login, you will see an interface wherein to your left hand side you will see dashboard. Under that you have to go to application part form 1. You will see all your registration details which you have filled earlier. Make sure you check all the details are correct and click on save and next. Enter your correct address details with parents' mobile number or your personal mobile number and click on save and next. Now comes reservation details and category details. If you belong to any category like sports category or a minority category, you have to fill the details here and also reservation details along with it, the rest of the details. Here you will also see the option of in-house quota admission. If your school offers 11th and 12th standard junior college and if you want to opt for it, then select on yes, otherwise no. Sometimes FYJC form faces glitch issues. Make sure you don't panic and cross-check all the details and then click on save and next. You don't need to upload any documents as of now. Once your results are announced, then you can upload the documents. Just click on save and next. You have to pay an amount of 100 rupees on the portal to register for FYJC Admission 2026. Click on proceed to payment and make the payment via online mode or as it convenient for you. After the payment, you will see the application form for part 1. Make sure you download and keep it. It will show the status of incomplete because you have not yet uploaded your documents. Once the results are out, you can upload your documents and lock your part 1 form. Do not panic if your part 1 is not getting locked. It's just the part of the process. You just need to register and save your details as of now. And then once your results are out, you can upload it and lock your part 1 form.
So I hope guys you're clear with the step by step process. जो भी आपके doubts है, please do let me know in the comment box below. We are doing lot of webinars, we are doing seminars and we are also doing live session on YouTube. Please subscribe कर लो, bell icon पे click कर देना so that when I'm live you get the notification. Also if you want to get in touch with me personally for one-on-one counseling session, this is the QR code, scan करो, you can book a session with me and all the other important details are there in the description box below. आप एक बार check कर लीजिए. FYJC का link नहीं मिल रहा है तो वो आपको description बॉक्स में सारी चीजें मिल जाएगी. So guys, share this video with all your friends and stay tuned to Media Mentor and Mumbai colleges to keep getting all the important updates on your FYJC admissions 2026.